Good morning, remarkable readers. It's Mrs. Opfer. I'm so excited to work with you today during reading workshop. And my friend, Busby the Bee, is here to help us. Right, Busby? Right. So today, friends, I'm going to be reading a great nonfiction Just Right book for you. I'm going to read it twice, though, and I think you'll know why in just a minute. It's called Lovely Ladybugs. Want to learn about ladybugs? Ladybugs have pretty black spots. Ladybugs are insects. Ladybugs have 6 legs. Ladybugs can crawl. They can also fly. Most ladybugs are red, but some are other colors. I love ladybugs. They are lovely. Now, let's take a look at our anchor chart that will help us with today's lesson. We're going to be focused on these 3 questions. Good readers do these things when they come to a tricky word in a story. Good readers ask, does it look right? Does it sound right? Does it make sense in the story? So now I'm going to reread this story, Lovely Ladybugs, but I might make a mistake, but probably not. I probably won't. I'll probably do a perfect job of reading. If you notice that I make a mistake, I want you to think about how you knew it was a mistake and how you fixed it. Did it look right or not? Did it sound right or not? Did it make sense in the story or did it not make sense at all? Let's get started. Busby's gonna listen too. You just snuggle right here, Busby. Okay. It's time to take another look at our book. And this time, remarkable readers, I might make a mistake or two. If you notice that I make a mistake while reading, I want you to use our anchor chart and decide how you knew it wasn't the right word. Did it look right? Did it sound right? Did it make sense in the story? Then see if you can fix my mistake. Here we go. Lovely Ladybugs. Lovely Ladybugs by Lydia Carlin. Want to learn about ladybugs? Ladybugs have pretty black stripes. Oh no. You already figured out that I made a mistake? What did I do? Oh, that's right. That word does not say stripes. How did you know? Oh, well, it definitely didn't make sense in the story. Ladybugs do not have stripes. Yeah, that also didn't look right. Stripes would have to start with st. But look, this word starts with sp. Let's sound it out together. Spots. Now I'll smooth it out. Thanks for helping me fix my mistake, readers. Ladybugs have pretty black spots. Ladybugs are insects. Ladybugs have 100 legs. What? No, yeah, they have 100 legs, totally. Oh no. Gosh, that didn't make sense either. I'm going to try to sound it out and fix my mistake. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's time for me to reread and smooth it out. Ladybugs have 6 legs. Ladybugs can crawl. They can also flutter. Oh, well, you're saying I made a mistake, but I don't know. Flutter starts with an FL, that blend, full. Oh, I see. That does not look right. Flutter is much too long of a word. This word is very short. I'm going to try it again. Oh, I see. It's flying. Fly. They can also fly. That was a hard one. Good job not getting tricked, readers. Most ladybugs are red, but some are other colors. I love ladybugs. They are super kaduper. What? No, they are super kaduper. Gosh, what? You're saying I made another mistake? Ladybugs are super kaduper. Oh, that does not sound right. Super kaduper starts with S. This word starts with of lovely. They are lovely. Wow, remarkable readers, you did a great job at helping me fix my mistakes. I want you to remember that today and every day, readers can take a look at our anchor chart and know that we can check to see, does it look right? Does it sound right? Does it make sense in the story? And asking ourselves those questions can help us do great reading. Now, I want someone in your family to read a just right book to you, and I want them to make a few mistakes. It's your job, remarkable readers, to fix those mistakes and tell them how you did it. Happy reading. See you next time. Buzz!